गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। मैं लखनऊ मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चमेला जालागढ़। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन जॉन डन की पोइम डेथ वी नॉट प्राउड। ठीक है, पहले थोड़ा पोइम के बारे में जान लेते हैं। Dunn's poem entitled Death We Not Proud is a sonnet. The sonnet appears in Holy Sonnets Divine Meditations, sonnet number 10 in this volume. ठीक है, in this poem, Donne speaks of death as if it were a person with whom it is possible to argue about who strong he actually is. This is an example of the method of treating an abstract force of quality as if it were a person. It is called personification. ठीक है, Donne demolishes two power concept. Firstly, death is dreadful, and secondly, death is mighty. He personifies death and addresses him directly. The structure of the poem facilitates the division of the theme into two parts. The octave proves that death is neither dreadful nor mighty. The sextet brings the argument to a personal level and regards death as a slave and a door through which the soul passes to immortality. The last line hits the nail on the head. It is not the poet who will die. The poet declares happily, death thou shalt die. ठीक है, अब देखिए टेक्स्ट देखिए। Death we not proud, though some have cause. देखिए टेक्स्ट देखिए। Death we not proud, though some have called thee mighty and dreadful, for thou art not so. For those whom thou thinkest thou dost overthrow, die not, poor death, or yet canst thou kill me from rest and sleep, which but thy pictures be much pleasure, then from thee much more must flow, and soonest out best men with thee to go, rest of their wound and souse delivery. देखिए इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए। Death we not proud, though some have called thee mighty and dreadful, for thou art not so. For those whom thou thinkest thou dost overthrow, do not, poor death, or yet canst thou kill me from rest and sleep, which were thy pictures be much pleasure, then from thee much more must flow, and soonest but best with thee do go, rest of their bones and souls delivery. देखिए इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए। The lines are from the sonnet entitled Death We Not Proud, written by John Donne. The lines from the octave part of the sonnet. In this poem, Donne speaks of death as if it were a person with whom it is possible to argue about how strong he actually is. In this poem, Done demolishes to power concept. Firstly, death dreadful, and secondly, death is mighty. He personified death, addresses him directly. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. The poet says that the author should not feel proud over the idea that she is very powerful and terrible. ठीक है. There is no doubt that some people call him to be mighty and dreadful. In reality, death is neither powerful nor terrible. The poet gives sound argument in support of his ideas. Death thinks that she kills certain persons who die. This is however not true. Death can destroy only their bodies. ठीक है. But she has no power over their souls. The soul is immortal. It never perishes. The poet challenges death and says that she cannot destroy him. Death is wretched and insignificant. He says that rest and sleep, which resembles her closely, give pleasure to the people. Death duration is longer, while their duration is shorter. ठीक है. The poet therefore concludes that death must give people some more enjoyment. The poet says that there is no need of considering death powerful and fearful. Lastly, those persons who are the greatest and the noblest die at a young age. This gives rest to their bodies and set their souls free from the prison house of body in order to attain eternal bliss. Thus, the poet gives two arguments to prove that is neither powerful nor dreadful. Death does not really kill. Death wrongly thinks that it kills. Done feels almost sorry for death in its failure. This is expressed by the expression poor death. Death is not dreadful. Dying just like rest and sleep, which give pleasure. Death is longer rest, longer sleep, then dying must be even more pleasant than resting or sleeping. Death frees the soul from the prison house of the body. Thus the poet proved that death is neither dreadful nor mighty. ठीक है. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट देखिए. Thou art slave to fled chance kings and desperate men, and dosed with poison, war and sickness dwell, and poppy of charms can make us sleep as well, and better than thy straw, why swellest thou then? One short sleep past, we wake eternally, and death shall be no more, death thou shalt die. देखिए टेक्स्ट देखिए, एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए इसकी. Thou art slave to fate, chance, kings and desperate men, and dosed with poison, war and sickness dwell, and how poppy of charms can make us sleep as well, and better than thy straw. Why swellest thou then, and short sleep past we wake eternally, and death shall be no more, death thou shalt die. ठीक है. अब देखिए इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए. The lines are from the poem entitled Death We Not Proud, written by John Donne. The poet argues that death is not dreadful and mighty. Death is not dreadful. Those who death claim to have killed have a long and peaceful sleep. Sleep resembles death, but just as sleep refreshes and invigorates, similarly death would provide more comfort and pleasure. ठीक है. This is the reason for the virtues dying young. Death brings rest and peace, and therefore it is not dreadful. Death thinks that she kills people. It is really not so. It is freedom of the soul from the prison house of the body. The soul does not die. Death cannot really kill the poet either. Don't feel sorry for death. It is not failure. देखिए, in the line done it describes death in such a way that it does not seem the strongest force on earth. The poet says that death is not independent to kill anybody. In order to do her work, she has to seek the help of so many other agencies which cause death of people. ठीक है. They are fate, accidents, orders of cruel kings, brigands who kill and loot innocent people. Poison, war, sickness also caused death. Death is just like a slave to all these powers. Fate, chance, king, desperate man, war, sickness, all these can kill human beings. They thus have the power of command death. Death is thus a slave. Both the poppy and magic charms can help men to sleep as well as. If no better than the sleep death gives them, the poet asks death as to why when it feels so proud of herself. ठीक है. अब देख नेक्स्ट देखिए. Death has no reason to be proud. Death can only make people sleep for some time. After sleep in the grave, people shall wake up on the day of judgment and live forever. ठीक है. Then death will have absolutely no power over human beings. There is no death in paradise and hell. ठीक है. Her death jurisdiction shall come to an end on that day. That will be death of death. Thus the effect is that death does not kill human beings. ठीक है. It is death which itself die. The immortality of the soul ensure the survival of man. ठीक है. Done thus imagines the future of death. The poem ends on a paradox. Man is mortal, death is moral. The poet declares happily, death thou shalt die. ठीक है. अब ये पोइम फिनिश हो गई है. आपको इसे लर्न करना है.